Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I'm gonna be doing a set of Christmas press-on nails. So the first thing that I'm doing is just going in with the color Walnut Brown by D&D. This is my all-time favorite brown. When I say I've had such a hard time trying to find like a true chocolate brown, and this one is definitely the perfect shade. Again, that is in the color Walnut Brown. I'll be sure to leave the link down below so you guys can go get it. I usually get mine from Amazon, if not my local nail supply store when they do have it, because they sell out super fast, but it's just a really pretty color. So before I started polishing the nails, I did go in and just buff the shine off the nail, and then if you need to kind of reshape the nail, that is completely fine, but I just did that with my buffer as well, because of course these were already stilettos. So I'm gonna do 2 coats of this brown on all of the nails, and then curing each coat for 30 seconds. Alrighty, so after I finish doing the 2 coats on both sets, I'm going in with my white by Macart. I'll be sure to leave that link down below, and I'm just gonna do like a, what would this be called, like a swirl nail. So I just did a dot in the middle to kind of know where all my lines are gonna meet at in the middle. I'm using my small nail art brush. I do have these available on my website. I'll leave that information down below. And as you can see, I'm just kind of using that dot as a guide. Now I am going to be doing a stone right in the middle where that dot is, but if you don't want to do a dot, you definitely don't have to, but it does help. So I'm doing some lines a little bit thicker than the other, so I'm doing one thick, one slim, and I'm just alternating as I go. Again, this is a white gel polish by Macart, and y'all, when I say their white is super good and they're black as well, they come in a little dual pack with both of them, and I think I'm on maybe like my 4th set of those because they're just really good. So be sure to go check them out. Alrighty, so I'm finishing this one up, just going in with some final details, and y'all, look at how pretty that looks. So now I'm gonna go in and do a drip nail. So I'm just doing a few dots with my dotting tool, and then with my brush I'm gonna go in and basically just drag it up towards the cuticle area, and then just connecting all of the dots, or the drip, whatever you want to call it. But y'all, when I say like this brown is so cute and it just looks so good with the white, it literally looks like some chocolate. Like, it just, this one was definitely one of my favorite set of press-on nails that I created. Alrighty, so now for the thumb, we're gonna go in and just do like basically a little peppermint swirl. I guess that's how you would call it, I don't know. So I'm just going in and drawing a circle as best as I can, and then after that I'm gonna do my dot just like I did on the other nail. I did my dot, and like I said, I kind of just use it as a guide, and then I go in and start doing the lines after that. And that's pretty much it. So really nice and simple. As you guys seen, whenever I'm doing like smaller strokes with my brush, I use my shorter brush, and then I switch over to my longer brush whenever I'm doing longer strokes. So I do have these brushes available on my website. As I mentioned, it does come with a set of 3 brushes, so y'all be sure to go check it out before I close down the website for restocking. Alrighty, so just like that, I'm just going in with my cleanup brush to kind of clean around the edges, and I'm gonna do another one closer to the tip. So literally the same thing, just drawing my circle and then doing a dot in the middle of that circle, and then just draw my little lines. Alrighty, so this is what we have so far. So now for the, the index finger, I'm gonna be doing a top coat. I'm using the Apres top coat. This one is my all-time favorite top coat that I started using last month, and I am absolutely in love. I literally had to order 3 more bottles because they had a sale for Black Friday, and so I cannot miss out. I believe they're about $20 a bottle, but y'all, it goes on so good and it's super shiny, so definitely recommended. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply a top coat on all of the nails, and then I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. Alrighty, so next I'm just going in with my Soleil nail adhesive, placing it right in the middle of those circles, and then doing the same thing for the middle finger. And then after that, I'm going to spray the nails with the activator spray. And then next I'm going to go in with my hard gel. I do have this one available on my website, and it works really good. Placing the little piece right on top of the hard gel and then curing for 60 seconds. Now moving on to the next hand is going to be something very similar. So for this one, I'm just going to do some little curved lines going all the way down the nail. So I started from one corner going to the other side, and I'm just going to continue doing that on the whole nail. So for this one, I'm just going to outline the entire perimeter of the nail with the white, but it's basically just like little swoops, I guess I could call them. I don't even know what you would call this. But also I forgot to mention that this set of press-on nails was inspired by Dallas J Nails. She's located in Miami and is my all-time favorite nail tech. So be sure to go check her out. I always get a lot of good inspiration from her page. And then for the next nail, I'm just going to go in and do the drip just like we did on the other hand. So now I'm going to go in with the top coat, and then I forgot to mention, but the little chocolate piece that I'm going to be using for this hand, and then the gingerbread man from the other set, I bought the little bag of charms from Amazon, and it comes with a whole bunch of random ones. So it literally came with one little chocolate thing and one gingerbread man. I'll be sure to leave the link down below, and then if I can find a set with all gingerbread mans, I'll be sure to leave the link down below, even though it may be a little too late for Christmas, but most definitely, you know, for next year for sure. Alrighty, so I'm gonna cure that for 60 seconds, and then now I'm gonna box them up. So I just use my little boxes that I got from Amazon, as well as the tape. I just place it on the little cotton piece, take the little paper off, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and place the nails on the tape. And this tape, y'all, is so strong, so you don't have to worry about the nails coming off or anything. So I'm just very carefully placing them right on top of the tape, making sure they're all nice and straight. Same thing for the other set. And then after this, I just go in and place the little cotton piece right into the little box. And then I do make a little bag with, you know, a cuticle pusher, a buffer, a nail file, alcohol wipe, KDS glue, and the little sticky tabs. And then of course I also place my logo on top of the box, and that is it. So here is the final look. They turned out absolutely beautiful. I love that brown. I literally just want to take a bite of them, y'all. That's how good they look. Like, it literally looks like a piece of chocolate. So anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell so you are notified every time that I post.